Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start the lecture number 22. I have already uploaded 21 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. I promise that this series will prove very beneficial for you if you want to be a web developer or web designer. There are huge, wonderful career in the web designing and web developing field. So, if you are a computer person, you are having interest in computer science or information technology, then you are at the right place. If you are new at this channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing. So let's start with the lecture number 22. And here I am going to illustrate the concept of background image. So I have just made the structure here: HTML head title, background image, title close, head close, and now in the body tag, I'm going to give the body tag. I'm starting the body tag, and as the background image is given in the body tag, it's an attribute of body. I've just given background here, and now in the case of background image, whenever we want to apply some background image, we just have to paste the URL here. So let's see. I have pasted and I have copied one image. This is FameWord PNG. You can just go through it. This is the image and it's a huge image. So let's copy the name of this image, or you can just type it and just paste the name here, and .png, that is the extension. And I have just control S, I have saved it. Now I am going to run this file and it is saved in the HTML lectures folder on my system, and now I am going to run it with Google Chrome. You can choose your favorite browser. So here now you can see FameWord. This was the image which I have used as a background image, and now you can see that this image has appeared here on the screen. Wow, it's wonderful. So now the benefit of background image is that we can even write some text. Suppose I have written paragraph, let's say paragraph. Let me check the dimensions. And okay, let's say paragraph, and I am. You can write anything, any tag, whichever you would like to use. Everything is acceptable here. So let's write. It's my name. So let's check it out. I am just refreshing it and you can see the name is written here. So if it was heading, let's see the changes. So you can see that it's working properly as it should work when there is no background image. If there was no background image, then also it would be working like this only. So the thing is that the background image is a simple concept which is given here uh, for putting the background image on your web page. So you can put any image of your choice. Just copy the image to your folder. Let me align it center, so you can see it's here. And all right, everything is working fine. Even let's write something here. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. It's web designing lecture. So I've just written few demo lines and refreshing it. You can see it's appearing as it should be appeared. Actually, the thing is that it's on 90% now. When you are using 100%, then the size is like that. The image is too large, so you should choose the image which is appropriate size. You're having appropriate size, or whichever image is required at your place. I hope these things are clear to you. You are not having any problem. If you are having any queries, then you can drop your queries into the comment box. So I will check it out and help you out. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, and thanks for subscribing if you are a subscriber. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.